What's up guys, this is Amrit Singh. You are watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is based on how to get 7 bands in IELTS writing, because I have seen many students who are stuck with 6 and 6.5 bands in IELTS writing. So guys, today I am going to give you some kind of tips and tricks how to get 7 bands in writing. So guys, first of all we will discuss task 1 and later on we will discuss task 2. So guys, in task 1 I have seen many students who are writing in introduction, the bar graph reveals, the pie chart depicts, or the map illustrates. Guys, these are of I think 4 or 4.5 bands. So instead of that you can write the bar graph delineates, okay, the pie chart enumerates. Guys, these words are very fancy words and you can easily get 7 bands in writing. So after that, skip one line, you will know, and start the overview. Overall, it is explicitly observed that जो भी आपको आगे लिखना है. After that, or else you can write it is conspicuous from the graph that, and what are your percentages, you can simply write down over there. And after that, skip one line, you will write the main body paragraph. You will write like getting back to the details, or you can write now turning to the details. Okay, you can easily write these type of sentences. And for the approximation, you can write approximately, like figures are approximately around 10 to 12, or nearly, almost, about, around. There are some figures who are in between 1994 and 1993, and people are in doubt how to write 1990.5, or else you can easily say nearly, almost, about, around, approximately, all that stuff. So you will not have to write conclusion in task 1, because I have seen many students who are writing conclusion in task 1, like to sum up, in a nutshell. So guys, the basic criteria, Cambridge University says that conclusion must be in task 2 only. Okay, so guys, here I will share you some my my personal notes. So guys, you can also write precisely, respectively, frantically, skyrocketed for the upward direction, frantically, skyrocketed. Okay, and you can use roughly, likewise, approximately, consequently, interestingly, subsequently. It is interesting to note that in many kind of words you can use in task 1, and you will get a very handsome band score in your IELTS writing. And these are for the upward trend. You can easily write rose, upsurged, and increase, go up, uplifted to, move upward, skyrocketed frantically, reach to the vertex, apex, peak, a ceiling trend. Okay, increases and reaches to, rose to exactly, after a sharp rise, before a significant climb, followed by a dramatic increase, reach the pinnacle, reach the vertex, reach the apex, reach the zenith, reach the acme for the upward trend. And for the lowest trend, you can use plummeted, plunged, deteriorated, take a nosedive, drop to, go into free fall, touch the lowest point, reach the nadir, nadir. It is a very important word. Okay, it is for the lowest point, reach the nadir. I will write the spelling over here. Okay, nadir. Okay, so guys, you can easily write and you will get a very good band score in your IELTS writing. So for the percentages, many students like to write 20%. Okay, but you have to write like this only, 25% in spelling, or you can write 10%, okay, in spelling. So guys, these type of words, and you can also write exactly the same, roughly the same, practically the same, or just above, similar, just short, much more, much less. similarly, same as much, in a similar fashion, in the same way. Meanwhile, on the contrary, on the one hand, on the another hand, precisely the same, absolutely the same, exactly the same. So guys, these are some kind of tips and tricks for the task 1, and now we are going to share task 2 tips. So guys, for the task 2, there will be introduction, body para 1, body para 2, and conclusion. So guys, in the task 2, I think there are 6 essays. Agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree? Advantages outweigh disadvantages, advantages and disadvantages, miscellaneous essay, discuss both the views, and these type of essays. So guys, usually I used to write in the introduction. Many people are writing thesis statement like uh, all the information will be discussed in the impending paragraphs. Guys, I always try to write fancy words like this essay delves the issue, examine the arguments from the both perspectives, and reaches to the logical conclusion at the end. So guys, it will be more lucrative for you to score 7 bands in IELTS writing. And after you are starting the body para 1, you can use, if you are writing an essay regarding to the technology, you can easily write with the advent of technology. Due to the ubiquitous technology is flourishing with leaps and bounds, and many type of things you can easily write, and you will get a very good band score. And one more thing guys, when you are presenting your essay, you have to include 2 relevant examples in body para 1 and in body para 2. And you can also add research is found that something which must be found, okay. Or you can put example, another factor to consider is that, another point which is worth noting is that. So try to use these type of fancy words. For example, for instance, the prime one is, or while, whilst, however, contracting words, but uh, these type of words you can easily write whilst. And for the body para 2, when you are comparing your essay like agree or disagree, advantage and disadvantages, so you can write in spite of the fact that paradoxically you are opposite, you are trying to explain the things oppositively, okay. Paradoxically, nevertheless, nonetheless, or however, but you can now contradicting to the another paragraph. So I think there will be some 2 key reasons, 2 relevant examples, 2 in body 1, 2 in body 2. And when guys, it is a very significant thing which will be, must be noticed, that some students are writing the conclusion hammering the last nail to the coffin. Guys, it is very inappropriate for me. Simply write in conclusion or to conclude. I always used to write in conclusion because it is a very simple sober like this. In conclusion, or else you can write to conclude. That's it. And guys, you know one more thing, that Cambridge University has given only in conclusion or to conclude uh, in their academics, or else in their particular university where the IDP and British Council are organizing. So guys, there are some kind of vocabulary, you have to build your vocabulary, because I have learned, I think, almost 576 vocabulary words and around 250 synonyms. So guys, I think it will be very good for me to score my desired bands. So guys, this video will be ended soon as possible. So in the next video we will cover up the basic things about the reading and how to tackle the reading in 60 minutes. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hit the like button, do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.